So I wanted to, even though I did already, I just wanted to give you guys a video of me completing the Easter egg Die Machine solo. So I don't know, I'm just bored. I just feel like making videos, you know. I just want to give you guys something before the new map comes out, which is called Firebase Z. Yeah, Firebase Z. So I'm just, you know, showing you guys the Easter egg, whatever. I'll probably like talk a bit, but you know, most of the time I'll just play the game. So yeah, let's get this started. Alright, so I do have my camera facing this way, so that means I will be facing this way. That means my TV is this way and my computer is this way. You guys get the whole point. Anyways, let's just start this. I'm just gonna use a shotgun for a starting weapon because why not? You know, it's easy to kill those monsters, the little boss, whatever. So yeah, let me go ahead and do solo because I'm doing this by myself and I don't want anybody else to join. So let's do this. Let's get this started. Alright. I'm probably going to be concentrating most of the time because you know how I am. But I can still talk, of course, and do the Easter egg. Alright. This freaking chair, man. This stupid crap. Anyways, I'll do my own way. So don't even judge what door I open because it doesn't matter. I know people speedrun this, but technically, myself, I'm not a speedrunner. So don't be telling me what to open because I can open whatever the hell I want. Alright, we're gonna start from round 1. We're gonna stay in the spawn room for 5 rounds because that's what I usually do to get the Easter egg started. And then my lowest round ever I finished the Easter egg was 15 rounds, but that was in a group. I want to see how I can do in solo. But my last solo record, if you guys saw my previous Instagram story, it was 20. That was the lowest round I ever won. It was round 20.
That's correct, Dr. Gray.
So yeah.
Let's get the team inside.
So I'm not gonna be shooting. I'm just gonna be knifing. And plus, I get more points. More points if I just knife or get headshots, of course.
You go.
Trying to end it quick too. Like I'm kind of speedrunning, but at my own pace. You know, like at the same time, I'm not rushing. You know, I'm just doing because I'm doing the steps like I already know, because I already know how to, you know, get this working, because I've done this a couple of times, you know, myself. So yeah. I hope I don't like die or get down or whatever, because that happens to me sometimes, which is really annoying. Like I hate that. I'm not grabbing that.
Nope.
Let them come out. Let them come out. Even the milk there, we're not grabbing them. For 5 rounds, we'll stay here, and at the middle of round 5, they'll start opening the doors or whatever.
That's enough.
There's some extra points there. That's good. That's good for a start. Shoot. Oh, max ammo. I don't even need it. I didn't even start shooting yet. I gotta retrain myself. I say this. Rephrase myself. So the first step I do is to, okay. I can get the one weapon and then do the ghost step at the same time. So I do whatever I can do first, and then I'll just leave. You know, it can go at any order, well, kind of, but you know, I'm just thinking to like get the wonder weapon because sometimes you can get lucky, get the wonder weapon from the box, or the crystals, or the coffin. I don't know if I should do coffin or what. I could just do it just in case. I mean, I never know, right? Some people don't. I remember when I first did the Easter egg, I didn't want to do the coffin. I just did it like that. This is like my 5th try doing it, and I'm recording a video. I'm trying to keep one zombie alive at least. There's a double. Oh, that came at the wrong time. That sucks. Oh wait, there's more zombies. Let me take advantage here. I'm gonna leave that last zombie alive, so I'm just gonna go around the whole map. We're at 9,280 points. I think that's pretty good. I should be able to open everything up. Or maybe I feel I should go to the other side because this is less doors. I don't know. I mean, we always have this. But still, like, it's only 100 points. Okay, we're not hitting the box, no perks, none of that crap. We're just going, open doors, and that's it. That's what I do. I heard the glitch got patched. So at the end of the boss fight where you just run away, you won't be able to use your eat the shroud and pass the little wall that people usually do. Because I did that last time. Or at least my friend did it. My friend, Little Bad Boy 2.0 did it. He showed me, and he didn't even know it was like a glitch, and I just started doing it every time we did the Easter. It was just so funny.
It would seem these creatures will want
I was like, wait a minute, hold on, you do that, I'm gonna do that too.
We should really get the power
Monkey see, monkey do.
the assumption.
So that's what I did. I didn't grab the points here. Oh, whatever, we don't got time for that. But it was hilarious to like. Me and him just do the. Me and him always do Easter eggs, you know. We do Easter eggs together. I help other people out as well, you know. Pretty cool stuff.
That's the first dimensional breach. It was the particle accelerator.
I was thinking about going to the portal, but this is fine. So the first thing I usually do, right? I'll just go up and I will get what you call. Okay, for this Easter egg run, I only need 3 perks, which is Juggernaut, Stamina, and Speed Cola. That's it. I don't need anything else. I should be pretty much fine. Well, quick revive for the quick regenerate health, but I don't need that. I'm fine. If I'm confident, that is. Where's the heck? Get that. Oh yeah, let me get these extra 100 points here. There we go. We're gonna go down to the pack punch machine and place this thing. Right? Place that. Go over here. Start the coffin. I still have plenty of time until round 9, because we need the bosses. With the plans. I can't see that. I don't know how people can speedrun this. Honestly. Alright, so we gotta do the coffin. And we all have zombie. Yeah. Because the round's gonna end anyway, so it's just like whatever. And at the meantime, I can go ahead. I thought I grabbed this. And then we can get the crystals. Reload my shotgun. Sorry, if I hear yelling, don't mind it please. I'm just like trying to do this, you know, this video for y'all. So if I hear any background noises, because I'm using the webcam mic right now. I don't know why I should be using my headset mic, but I don't feel like wearing that right now. So I'm just like, you know what, let me just use the webcam mic. And the mic is pretty good. For a webcam, crazy. Yeah, lucky. I can do those. I got plenty of time. Get the crystals, the stabs, whatever, you know, whatever I need to do. Get all set up, you know. Holy shit! What are you screaming about? God damn! Freaking mouse. What's going on? Oh wow, they give me a. I guess it's perfect for the. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Which the start is. The start can be from down here. Get all those thingies. The what do you call it? The ether. Oh my god, the etoscope. Yes. I'm forgetting names. I don't know what's going on here. I guess I'm gonna get zombie bosses and a dog. So yeah, it's gonna be crazy. And then I'm gonna go. I think this should be the yard. I'm gonna just open this door. I don't care. Go to the yard. There he is. Get that. Okay. I can die in one hit, so I gotta be careful. Monkeys is useless. So what's this one? There's gonna be a lot of dogs, so I better get ready. A little bit crazy. I hope I don't go down, cause I got free drugs, so I don't want to waste it.
Looks like
I don't have to go down.
any idea what it is?
Looks like a component.
I kind of made this hard for myself.
Perhaps engineering.
Cause I'm only using a shotgun, not to reload it all the time, which is really annoying. And my family's still yelling for no reason. Oh, yelling, that's all we do. Wait, it's so unnecessary. I thought I'd fight Dawson already. I can go ahead and go. Let me just throw some more.
Monkey ball out.
Build the other skill.
It seems the
I better
creature
watch my
has
back. I better watch my back. I better watch my back. I better watch my back.
like a Valerian worm. If the worm had legs. Clear.
It's our lucky day, strike team. We have
The needling just takes so
we are to shut
long.
down the dimensional breach in an effort to contain the spread. Suggestions?
I think a complete shutdown of the particle generator would trigger the
This is why I can't speedrun, because it's like, there's a lot of things going on into mine. You have to know what to do. You just have to think fast, you know. That's why I go on my own pace. I don't really care about that.
He's down.
I think I can get this thing down. Maybe I can keep these two zombies alive so I can do the ghost step. At the meantime, hopefully I don't forget to put the password in as well. Alright, I could pack a punch yeah, why not? 9 plus it's blue, so if I do get lucky and get 500, I can get purple. I mean, it doesn't even matter. I can just go run the whole Easter egg with a blue gun, so it don't really matter to me. And then I built the edge scope. I can just.
Maybe that's
Oh,
where
no,
they
I have to
stored
put
the
the
shutdown
password.
procedure.
Oh shit! I'm about to just go around then. That sucks. Whatever.
Destination marked.
And just grab the key, whatever. Blah blah blah.
Anomaly
Get
detected.
that. Blah blah blah.
Anomaly
Like this.
detected.
Watch your back. I always hate doing that one because there's always like a zombie behind my back and I just randomly go down. Which I still find that really annoying. Too bad I don't have stamina. I wouldn't be able to go in a faster pace. People, when they speedrun, they usually grab the stamina first. I see that a lot in the videos, you know. And I just have to go around and then go over here. Like the second one, the second's right here. And then the third one. You know, this Easter egg is really easy. Anyone can do this. Hold on. Just use this. I didn't want to go down. I was expecting him to show up right there. That was some pretty scary stuff.
Anomaly detect processing.
And here, that's it. We're done now. I mean, I can just stand here, so I won't have to get worried. I don't have to worry about the zombies and getting hit. So I'm just pretty much chilling. And this is the last one. So the one that I do last, I just stand there, because it lasts the longest period of time. Because I did this last. And I can just go ahead and get the password. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And I still need to get the wonder weapon, so I need to kill these last few of zombies. And also, I need to get the key card. Thank God I didn't forget.
Now there's something
So let me
you
go
don't
ahead and
see
do
in your
that right
average evil
now.
Nazi secret bunker.
Get
By the looks of it, it
that.
was built specifically for the undead.
Where's the last zombie?
An attempt
Where's
to restore
that?
brain
Where's
functionality?
that?
Perhaps an effort to create a more docile obedient creature.
Undead threat neutralized.
So I will be going back to spawn so I can get the wonder weapon for free. Or I can just get out the boss, but it's whatever. But yeah, guys, you can see the goal I have in my shotgun. I grinded hard for
What do you think
that.
the Soviets are planning, Weaver?
Wasn't easy.
Given where the breaches have occurred, they must
I
have
got gunned
exposed
for most of
themselves
the
to
guns, but
considerable
I'm
risk.
trying to get all.
In truth, Dr.
Excuse me,
Gray,
I'm trying to get
I
all
don't
of
know
them
much
done.
about
You
Omega
know what I
Group.
mean?
A
Alright, so
contact
I
of
need
mine,
a
Maxis, has
whole pack of
investigated them
zombies
before
to
she
be
went
here, and
off
I can
grid.
turn this on.
I hope they haven't
Yeah, I
found
get the
her.
wonder weapon. Yada yada yada. I could have saved the boss for the. I just realized. Now I need to done a boss for the. What's that thing called? The oh my god, the fungus. Yes, that thing. The boss I had earlier, I could have saved him for the fungus, and then I could have killed him. So if you do that all at once, you know that's a pretty good speedrun right there. If you really know like how to speedrun, you know. But of course I can't do that unless if I learn how to, but I don't. So yeah. I wish I could be a good speedrunner, but I can't. I can move pretty fast, but I'm not a speedrunner. think that's all the zombies I have. Alright, just bring them all down here. Watch our backs. We watch our backs like always. Since I'm not playing with anyone. Gonna give us a bunch of drop-off stuff. If I can get to 500, I can get.
Weapon storage at maximum. Line him up.
You can make this Easter egg so simple by just keeping a few zombies alive. You don't have to like keep killing them, and you're just gonna make everything complicated for yourself. You know what I mean? Oh, I forgot to open. I always forget to open them. Then we get this.
Oh, of course. Leave it to the Nazis to create a weapon that literally spells out die.
I could get started if I do reach 3,000. I will go ahead, knock this thing down, and suck this up because this is for gas. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. I'm gonna grab that, and then I'm going to. Oh shoot! I don't want. I mean, I do want to open a door if I were speed running, but it don't matter. I'll just go around. I should have kept the boss. I really should have kept the boss, but I didn't. Dang it! I need to freaking find this. This sucks. All right, I'll just place it here then. In the meantime. Oh no, I need the boss. Okay, I guess we'll just work in fire then. Cause I need that anyways. Where's the portal? I hope the portal spawns here. That's the thing, because I just want to get all the perks and not open the doors. That is my problem. Guess I'll work on fire first, why not? What is this thing? What the heck is that? Oh no, it's this. This way. Oh, we got another boss, perfect. Let's see if I can get him to the pond. Oh wait, never mind. This is just a quick one. It was just a very quick one. I guess I can do electric. I don't even know if I have enough points though. That's the problem. So I'll just grab fire from the pond and then place the fire, and then I'm gonna get electric. I could have got ice right now too, but I didn't. And then I would have just got gas and that's it, and then it's a boss fight. Well then, no, it's a couple things and it's a boss fight. So yeah.
This ammo unleashes a fiery blast that, well, it pretty much just fights fire with fire.
Oh man, see, most of these doors are not, like, I have to, you know what, screw it, I'm opening it, I don't care. I'll get points later. And then we're gonna hit, was it this one? I don't remember. Is this one? Yeah, it's that one. I could've got ice right now, so I'll just work on getting electric in the meantime. I'll wait, it might take me a lot of tries to get the... Oh boy, I'll have to try this 2 times. I could do a 1 run, but my points are down, so I can't do it. So I'm gonna just have to, yeah, it's a little bit. I'm going a little bit slow right now, but I don't really care. I'm just doing the Easter egg, showing for you guys, and for this new YouTube content stuff, you know. I guess I'll do the one. I'll do this one first. I do need a regular one. Oh my god, I need regular DIE. Forgot. See what I can get here. Oh, perfect. At least I have the boss. I can get the fungus, which is perfect. So I can just get him right here. See if we can do something about it. Oh, come on, do your attack. I don't want to get hit once and I just go down. Okay, there we go. He got the fungus ready. And they didn't say anything. Just go forward to nothing. I guess, yeah, he got him. It's purple. I can see it. Alright. I wasted a lot of time there. I could have just do this part. Watch my back. I guess I only get 1 for now, and I can just do the other 2 later on. I should be able to get 2 in 1 run, hopefully. I could get 3 1 run if I use a little teleports, but my points, so I should just pay attention to that. And we're gonna wait, where is he? Yeah, right here. Dang, I did that so slow. And then we're gonna go for the second one, which is up here, up in the other side. But now I have to go around because I didn't open the door, and I don't even have enough points. Great. Or I can just go and get the one on the roof. Ah. You ain't gonna make it, bro. It's right there. I hope I can get in. Place a liquid thing there. I mean the empty jar. Not a liquid thing. At least I got in. I don't know how long I can keep that zombie alive. I need to kill him now actually so I can get the last one. Thank God I made it. Where's the last zombie? I wonder if you keep what happens if you keep switching it, because I don't want the thing to disappear. What the? As soon as I knife it goes away? So if I knife that goes away? Oh, that's so stupid. Where's the last zombie? I see him in the map. He's... Wow, so if I knife... Oh, it's back. What the heck? That's weird. Okay, I guess I'm lucky. Cool. That's two then. I only have to worry about getting one. Okay. That's freaking weird. Where's the last zombie? Can't find them. I don't know. Where the hell is it? I couldn't even find that shit. It's weird. Tell us to be here for a while. I guess I can buy armor on it. Oh my god, sorry again. Sorry. It's my butt, alright? I can get a dog round like 10 or 12, I'm not sure. Yeah, hopefully. I can just get... I gotta move. Oh shoot, the door. Great. I'll just take the teleporter. Now all I have to worry is get the ice, which I already done it, and gas. Make sure. I mean, it don't matter. You can place it, get a dog and place it now. But I'd rather just do that before. So let me place that at the meantime. I already got the fungus ready, so... Surprised the new round hasn't started yet, huh? Guess I'll get into these crystals at the meantime. See if I can get anything good. It's so rare to get like a weapon or something. It's so freaking rare, I swear. Wait, I think that should be last, I don't know. Fungus is ready. Can get this blue thing, right? At the meantime, I can kill the zombie. Hopefully, I can get a dog round that is, and head my way. Yeah, that's it. I do really need to pay attention because sometimes when I get a dog, and I don't even notice. Like I will accidentally kill the dog, and I was like, oh shoot, wait, I forgot we need a dog for the Easter egg stuff. You know, I'll just do that sometimes, and I hate that. I forget a lot. Okay, this is regular round, but I never know I can get a dog. So I better be very... I need to listen very carefully. That's what I am doing. Put this.
Appears to be some kind of chemical freezing agent. Huh. Weaponized nitrogen. Not bad, that.
There's a knife on there. Oh no, I didn't want that. I just heard a dog. Oh no, I don't think I did. Hopefully it wasn't. I hope it wasn't. Now I need one more. Now I need just one more thing, that's it. I'm gonna get it. Why use that to kill one zombie? There's some
Raptor 1 is nearby, strike team.
let's see if I can get a
Exfil
dog
window is
round.
short.
If not, I
Take
just
it
have to
now
rush
if
through
you're
the
ready.
rounds quickly. Should be dog round, hopefully. Probably round 12. Yep. I knew it. You don't have to stay here, but like I'm just staying here now, so I can just get ready. Because this is a very tight spot. This is really dangerous right now. Yeah, I'm just chilling for now. Hopefully I don't get down. Going at least, I mean, it doesn't mean it's over, you know. It's not the end of the world, but like, I don't want to get down. It's just, that would just really suck. It's just mess things up a bit. Now all I need to do is wait for a dog round. This should be it. Definitely round 12. If not, then it's 13. Come on. Ah, crap. That sucks. Okay. I don't think the old pack would be necessary for the... Nah, I don't need it. If I get lucky from the box. Oh, this is all perfect. Perfect. I need to hurry up and get out of here. Let's go. That was perfect. I used Dark Ether and then a dog came and I didn't even noticed. That's crazy. Alright, we good.
Exfil no longer available. I'll notify
Now I
you.
just
Raptor
have
1's
to
back in range.
let me see if I can get in this box. If I get lucky. I'm only hitting it once. I'm only hitting it once. See what I get. Nope, I'm not taking that. Because that sucks. I can save that boss for later on. So I'm gonna be annoyed a bit and try not to kill him. It'll be nice if I can use stim shots in case for the boss fight. If my health do go really low, because I'm not gonna be using quick revive. And you know how about quick revive, you know, your health don't regenerate quick enough, so get the Nova, what do you call I don't know what's it called, the gas, when we're playing for whatever you want to call it. Yeah, if I'm not going to use quick revive, I can just get speed cola, and then just use stim shots for quick regenerate health for the, you know, because you never know, I can be in a situation where I can, my health, all my health goes down, I don't even have the, what do you call, the ether shot, yeah. Okay, what am I doing now? Oh, yes. I have to go to... Oh, no, sorry. Okay. Oh, I'll keep it big for now. Because this... You know, the splits are more annoying than the big guy, to be honest. I'm not gonna even lie. They're really annoying. Get that crap. This too.
Anomaly detected. Anomaly
He's not funny now. I don't have to worry about getting hurt.
Are you certain no one saw us come down here?
I could craft a syntax at the meantime, so let me just go ahead and do that and get some stim shots there. I only get 2. Watch your back smash. Holy crap. Scared the crap out of me. Should keep one zombie alive. I want one more. So we got some things. god, we have to grab the thing, and then, well, that was all for nothing. I don't have to go back and forth with it. Oh, whatever. Don't matter to me. I'll just grab. You gotta grab that thing here, this purple thing. I forgot. And then we get it. I could get quick revive. Yeah, sure, why not? I mean, I never know when I might, or I can say I can double tap. I don't know. Oh my god, I could have. Oh, 20,000.
Semtex armed.
There's gonna be boss spawning. Oops. That's why I grab stim shots.
Well, we got plenty of stuff here. Ideas?
Oh, I think I didn't kill the zombies.
Any
am I
of them,
going?
really.
Oh shit.
I don't know. Do any of them look particularly knowledgeable about
I gotta do
particle
this now.
accelerators and nuclear
Where's
fission?
that boss at? I need him. Like right now, because I don't want the zombies to get in my way or whatever. Oh crap. Oh, it's dog ground. I don't even matter. I still need to get him here quick though. So I placed the thing. No, we gotta, yeah. Split. Oh, he's already split. Oh, I used my gas thing, so yeah. We don't kill the split, so don't do that. That too, yeah. Make sure I wasn't going down. Yeah, I gotta be really careful now, because I'm putting myself in a really dangerous situation. Wasted all them stim shots. I can't kill the splits. No, don't get down. Woo! Okay, come on. Damn, why are they going so hard on me? Jesus. Oh man. Could have done this around 14. No, 13. Come on, get in here. Yeah, I'll use these nukes. I don't have to worry about the zombies. Come on, get in here already. Jesus, they take forever. It's so annoying. It's one, and then I get the other one. There we go. Careful. It's a dime.
That's enough.
It's not doing it. There we go. Oh, thank God. I was getting a little bit worried because, you know, it was, God, it was annoying. But there we go. I was starting to rage a bit, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, of course it was. And there we go, you get this little cutscene. I mean, I'm pretty much ready to go, so I can... If you guys want to see this, here you go. Holy crap, my controller can vibrate. I'm not putting that on the table again. That thing was loud. Alright, let's go. I'm ready.
Could have gone better.
This isn't over. Get after him now.
Pretty much ready to, yeah, I'm pretty much ready to go. Just gotta go to the school real quick.
Another zombie killer.
That's so annoying. Just want to do this and get this over with.
Anomaly detected.
My son,
Now I gotta wait.
I know you
Yada 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 yada.
I must ask you, give me strength. Omega Group has given me my orders. I am poised.
Try and get ray gun if I can.
That information is considered very much above my rank, but consider
Hey, if you stay here, they won't attack you. So if you don't want to worry about getting down, just stay here. And plus, you can get your thing here, and then we start the boss fight from there. I'm only doing this for a low round 14. It's a new record for me. I could have done 13. I tried, at least. Would have been good for the video. Good content as well.
opening the box that cannot be closed. I will see you both again.
I really better watch my back here. Oh shit. Watch me go down and swing. No, we're pretty much good. Alright, boss fight time. Here we go. I'm ready. Let's do this. For a second, I thought I glitched. I was about to freaking get mad. Get some ammo mods here. Rainbot's really good for the boss fight. You can use that to help yourself. That's a solo. If you're doing this solo. Like I said, these things are really easy. But if you guys still need help, I can always be. I'm glad to help y'all. Like I'm glad. I'll also bring out my YouTube partner, Little Bad Boy 2.0, to help you guys out with the Easter egg. And then we'll just do it from there. It's really easy with 4 people. You gotta be very communicative as well. Why not? It's really nice, man. Super easy. Oh, it's around 15. I want to do it to around 14. Okay.
It caused horrible things. I caused horrible
That's whatever. That's the normal, what do you call it? The normal attempt, not the speed run attempt. Because the lowest they ever did, I think was 12. Or 11. I think it's 12.
Close the gateway.
I don't know what he's talking about. It's just like,
Be the first step.
I wouldn't even call this a boss fight anyway. It's just like protecting the duel. That's it. But when we get that fire beast map, yeah, that's a real boss. That's gonna be something.
Its brain functionality has been restored enough to recall its former self. They Mary Shelley would have something to say about this.
Deactivate the accelerator's priority 1, strike team. Nothing can do it. Buy the time it needs.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. This dog, I'm doing this incorrectly. I can't even see. Get armor if y'all need to. If y'all don't have enough, try to survive. Try. I don't like the second one. It's the most kind of dangerous. I say use the one weapon only for the big guys. That's it. The split guys. They're the most annoying. Oh shit, how did I not go down for that? That's why I buy that armor now. Buy that armor, that thing's good. Make sure I look here. You look behind you, you know. All the time, all the time. I always like to watch my back. You never know there's a zombie behind you. Or a boss. Which I hate the most. You know, you just pretty much take your time. Just run around if you need to. Let the brain bug be dead. Okay, we're doing one more. What else? Can't see. Nice hunt.
I'm not even tired.
No.
Sorry, I'm just concentrating. I'm just making sure I don't make any mistakes. So yeah. Well, I got no zombies for now. Yeah, pretty much they're all dead. These zombies, I got all these spins. Use some sim shot if I ever need it. There's a brain bot on. I let the brain bot do the work, and I just focus on this. Even though his health bar doesn't go down. Okay, let's see if it's true. Let's see if Treyarch really patched it. I gotta find out. Let me see if they did it. No freaking way! They did not! They did not patch it! What? I can't go through it no more? Oh, that's stupid. Wow, Treyarch. Really, Treyarch? I cannot believe they actually patched it. Oh man, I'm gonna miss doing that. Am I going the right way? I like going my own.
That's all I
have my own preference.
Raptor 1 is inbound, strike team. Get the hell out of there.
Shit. Huh, thank God for that stim shot. I was like, let me just grab the stim shot rather than use it. Shit, I'm about to die. If I down will be mine. I mean, I didn't got down, so I do have a second chance. Not that big of a deal. This is one of my things. I don't know where that zombie come from. Man, we're pretty much done with the Easter egg. That's it. Easy stuff. I cannot wait for a new map to come out, y'all. If you guys haven't saw my reaction to it, I will put in a link in the description so you guys can go ahead and check it out. It was a pretty cool trailer. Yeah, guys, there's the Easter egg. That's pretty much it. Too bad there's no cutscene. I guess it's like the lamest Easter egg out of all of them because it's like it's super easy and there's no cutscene, so it's like, you know, I only did it for like 14 rounds. Well, it was around 15, but it says I survived 14 rounds, but it's whatever. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe.